They told Kylem they couldn't bring their cameras in there.
Never before.
I try to move Karen and start it. Ain't no lie. It's so stressful. It's so stressful out here. It's so stressful out here in Jamaica, right? Let me tell y'all. The breeze blows like too hard. You know, and then it's hot. And then, what else? There's like this waterfall that you about to go climb. There should be like extra stress. No, I don't want to go like that. I don't mad like that. You do have to drive careful out here though, cause they will run you off the road, kind of thing. Jesus Christ! I saw a road park. I think my figure go. Yeah. So, you wanna see how I sweat? Let's soon turn the camera around. I keep forgetting what side of the road to drive on, first of all. I've been here, we've been here how many days now, babe? 3 days? I've been here 3 days with my new girl. She right there. You know what I'm saying?
You saw.
Had to level up. So been in Jamaica for like 3 days, man, chilling. And I just don't feel like vlogging. I don't know why. This is the first time I'm in Jamaica, I don't feel like vlogging. Remember when we used to come here and they used to be like, y'all never go to Jamaica or whatever. And that's why we actually started like, okay, next time we'll go with a vlog. All the time.
Yes.
And then,
everywhere we go.
Then it became like a damn chore. Like, okay, we're going to Jamaica again, so we have to show them again. But I do these videos though. Shout out to the people who are Jamaican, who haven't been back to Jamaica in forever. I feel sorry for you. You haven't been back to Jamaica in forever, but I do these videos for you so you can live vicariously through us, right, or through the platform. Other than that though, I haven't felt like vlogging, so I didn't take out the camera and go through airport this time and all that. Shout out to Wiz and Shaq from JA Radio TV. Wiz and Shaq are here on the island same time we are. I was trying to be incognito, you know, and you know it go already, but we here, and enough of that jibber jabbering. Let me turn the camera around so y'all can see Jamaica, the Jamaica that you haven't been back to in like 50 years. It's right here. Nothing no change, but everything changed. That way.
Got me into that accident, there.
That's direct, man. I'm trying to left Jamaica when some place I did have huts.
This is St. Anne.
We're a few minutes away from Duns River Fall, right?
14 minutes actually.
14 minutes to be exact away from Duns River Fall.
I want to show myself the pudding where everybody else is.
Oh God, see pudding plate. Oh yes. Man, yeah, I'm coming back for sure.
Yes.
You need one of them there. Oh, you can carry them up though?
Yes, we can.
Oh.
Of course. They carry up everything this trip. Me say, me glad we carry 3 suitcases this time instead of 2.
Remember, you spend $500 for carry things down here.
That's about how much you go take to carry them.
Yes, master. If I see anything for the man, then we zoom in.
Alright, so.
I don't know what the ladies them like. I can't speak for you. I'll leave that to Shakira. Yeah. She probably not. You know, I like what she likes, so she probably gotta look for something different. The foot back hanging off the slippers, singing on the yen yen.
That's where I come from.
What?
That's not where I choose to get with anybody.
Not no.
Okay. Not different.
Oh yeah, try say. You know what? Let's not even put that conversation on tape. Cause next thing you hear, so. Me with there with anybody. Me not have no time. My standards low. Dirty pitchy patchy girl. Me try to clean you up. Anything. Can I say same place up? You have standards?
Plenty.
She have standards. Ooh. I have standards, darling. Last night, the nice much more could I stay down there for your whole dance. Today gonna be nice. I wish I could have stayed there for the whole day. So this is the way to Dunsborough Fall, guys. This is where the GPS is taking us. And like I've said before, straight, so?
Yeah, straight.
Yeah.
This is a GPS.
Continue for 6 kilometers.
Great.
Yeah, like I said before, the GPS system in Jamaica works pretty good. It'll get you where you want to go. This is not ancient times, you know. Ancient times, if you didn't know where you did go, you'd have to tap an axe.
Yes.
Big one beach right there, so. Oh, you can't go there.
Babe, you know on that piece of beach, I'm sorry.
Wow.
They broke bad.
Wow. You know, what's crazy is the beaches in Florida look better than the beach here that I've seen.
Yes.
That's crazy. I never thought I would say this actually. But the beaches in Florida, USA.
Or better than the
Straight
one in
Niagara Strip?
Ochi. Yeah. Straight.
Yeah, the one that better than the beach I'm in Ochi. Well, the beaches I've seen so far.
Yes.
So far. I haven't booked into an all-inclusive where there's, you know, exclusive piece of beach or lock off for tourists and the sand is preserved.
They broke bad. We come from Negril, 9 miles of beach.
Yeah, and Chicago, we go there, we never seen that one beach. But let me get back to this now.
What we carry in the bag?
When I just come from, what's my name?
Yes, we never
So-
go through Negril. Yeah, we go through Montego Bay and Mount Pelion.
Be a rock stone, me see.
Yeah.
On Bad Road.
Yeah, you know.
Well, I see how the car dance like bunks about.
I saw.
I drop, you know, so the beach I'm up there so nice, but unfortunately we're on this side. Oh yeah, though.
Between Negril Beach where we grew up with living in Florida, the ones that I've seen in Elche, the next port of Jamaica, you have to take a plane from here. They're not up to par, sorry.
The beaches here are deteriorating. The shorelines are deteriorating.
Yes, and they're not investing them
Yeah, it look like the sea are coming in
for the land.
for the land and it jam up the beach. So ain't got much beach there, which is messed up.
So,
I'm go and enjoy the little Jamaica when we know here because our way left eye. Apparently, in another few years, you're gonna hear the beach used to be here. And beach used to be there. And I'm like, oh, watch out, right just out down the road.
next corner, well, next.
KFC, Pizza Hut, Starbucks. Why do Jamaicans put these people on the flyers that never be at the parties? They should I be able to sue you for that? Shensia in tongues. And you show up at the party and no Shensia in tongues. Not even Shensia there. Yes, mommy?
Not even a Shensia look alike.
Not even a Shensia look alike.
Where's my chips?
What chips, Kai?
The chips that I was wondering.
No, you had chips that you were eating at the house. And you left them on the couch. That. And I took them and put them in the fridge. So I don't see ants in the chips when I get back. Every minute I know something and fussy about something. Y'all can't just chill and just be cool. My God. Draxall Complex. I'm driving on the new highway, the Autobahn.
Yeah.
And we're not speeding today.
You're going to ask you, I'm missing you more something for tea. You come like you need heart medication if you live out here.
We're in Jamaica doing the speed limit.
Are we going?
And we're going to Duns River Falls. Where all the tourists go because we want to feel like a tourist today.
No tourists.
Oh, yeah, brother, they said people start talking after they get a degree.
No tourists. Don't give me tourists.
I don't know if you've been no big degree, so from any tertiary degree, they start talking like this. Well, you know, I'm from uptown, you know. And I work over at Digicel. In the corporate office.
Like when Missy one that say, oh, you work for JPS. I laugh till I kneel.
And that is a corporate branch. The corporate branch of JPS.
Why the business IBEX?
JPS.
IBX.
Alright.
Yes, my dear. I laugh till I kneel the most. They let me hear in the I TikTok live in the
Melanie, get off the door. If that door fly open, you're dead. You're gonna be on the highway getting ran over by a car. Stay away from the door. Do not touch it.
I work for JPS.
You want your window down, mommy?
JPS. On TikTok live too. Girl from England.
This is Mommy B right here. And Rio.
I don't know if I twang in the one, the twang because the British girl, but they say I love to learn the most good in the city clip.
Rio looks stressful.
Sandals, they're right next to it.
Sandals and Rio, them look stressful. It's just right down the street from me. Hear me? I think Airbnb is the way to go. And people are charging $500 a night, my friend.
Meters at the roundabout. Take the first exit.
Okay, the first thing.
Lord is my shepherd. The first exit. I'm feeling like a tourist today. Take the first exit. Our first exit.
Right, that's okay.
And just
Right
right over that side.
Exit the roundabout.
I am exiting the roundabout, ma'am.
Continue for 3 kilometers.
How to take out a billboard in Jamaica? How much it would cost, man?
$1 million.
The more rip you want to figure out how far you live. Yeah. And $1 million for them, you can't put up. But as soon as you say you don't live there. You know, so the battery died already. This battery must have was dead. Alright. That is it, done. Well, the battery is running out. I would have loved to have shared this journey with you. Malali, put your hand inside.
3 minutes.
3 minutes left. No, that's all right.
Until you reach.
I should shut this off. Oh, God. Passage to India. In Jamaica. Then you soon turn Jam India. One part of Jamaica named Jam India, one part named Jam China. Apple them there, you know? Control your belly, man.
You have enough apple here from back.
You just name one bag of something, you know? Apple figure dash, right?
Yeah, no apple in there.
More apple. I know apple season.
You want to be apple, you know where they get apple from.
They must be freeze them.
It's a freeze.
And you get them, they're fluxy. No matter.
Mango and kneesberry.
Oh, me glad you see the kneesberry them. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to pull over on my way back, you know. I saw kneesberries. I haven't seen kneesberries. Tasted a kneesberry in years. Berries on my knees.
I'm sorry.
Yes, baby. Huh? We're getting there. We're gonna go climb a waterfall. Yeah? Cause it's fun. Don't you want to climb a waterfall? Oh!
Mystic Mountain, bobsled, Dunn's River Falls.
And if your car ever go over there, so you see?
Over the precipice of yonder.
The precipice of yonder. You get freak.
In the water, you they go to you.
Jesus Christ, God. Me feel like me want to pull over and feel me. Anyhow, you end up over there, so you see?
300 meters, turn right.
300 meters. Right.
You wouldn't have time to be scared, Kai. You would literally poop yourself and die. Those two things.
Heart attack.
And then.
Turn right and then you arrive at your destination.
Right? Oh my. Oh gosh. They even have a sign that says no entry. One way going up, you know. This is Dunn's River, people. I've never been here before, you know. It's a steep hill to go up here, you know. The hill's steep, you see. Jesus Christ, when them done charge me American price. But I have a tertiary degree, so.
Oh my God.
And I work for Digicel, the corporate branch. Okay, where we go, so?
You don't say.
Bus and car and Beaumont exit, bus and car. So you go up a steep hill and a wee one up here. Oh, see some car here. About 10 white people up here. You hold. Well, this is it for Dunn's River. My battery is about to run out.
I did not want to play outside.
So like what?
And I'm going to the beach.
What the fish? What's wrong? My battery is about to run out.
And then I want to play.
Yeah, well, I this for Dunn's River. Them take your name when you come in, first and last name. I don't know why, but
you know, she didn't have no paperwork to give you anything.
they don't know. She's very ticklish.
Yeah, bum.
They don't have any paperwork to give us to pay the ticket. Anyway, I'm going to climb Dunn's River Fall for the first time. And I know many of you are rich and wealthy and very touristy and have traveled the world and has climbed Dunn's River 1 million times. But this is my first time, so I'm excited. Okay? Alright, so when I come back, I tell you how it was. Alright? Alright, if I come back.
Arrive alive.
Move your hand. Jesus Christ, give me a little AC before me go.
Babe, come out. Let's go.
Blibby.
Say bye, mommy.
Bye.
Right, they come down.
Bye, Mona.